Well, hello everybody. Sean here from Ominers Photography. I am here with some really exciting news. Something I've been wanting to do for quite some time is to partner up with a camera store. And so I've been in talks with the camera store. They're based out of Calgary, Alberta. And we tried on a couple of different previous projects I've worked on, but heading back up to the Arctic for polar bears, bringing a group up with me, October 19th to the 25th. And I wanted to do more filming on this expedition, filming of the guests that I'm bringing up, filming of the polar bears, filming of the foxes, wildlife, aurora, different things like that. So one of the things that I've wanted to try out for some time is I'm a Canon guy. So I have the Canon R5 Mark II, Canon R7, RF 100 to 500, RF 16, the old EF versions with some Sigma lenses and whatnot. But I really wanted to try out a Sony mirrorless camera. So we're going to take a look at this wonderful box that was just sent to me and see what we're dealing with. It arrived the other day and I just haven't had time to kind of film an unboxing sort of deal. So here we are. I am so flipping excited. Sony! They have lent me this incredible gear that is going to be coming with me on this trip. And let's see what we have packed into this wonderful beauty. We have the Sony 24 to 105 f4. That is going to be going with me. And I think the body, if I'm not mistaken, is it's the Fx3. So that I am wildly excited for, because this camera is like known for its filming ability, and that's really what I want to do, is film. So this is going to be the, outside of getting into like cinematography, this is one of the best cameras on the market that you can use. Oh, that is stunning. Look at this thing. The Sony Fx3. We're going to have a good time with this. And then along with it, I don't know if I'll use this case or not, because I've got my own case that I'm bringing, but like, it's pretty amazing. That's a pretty stellar case. It's one that I need to get. It's the Pelican 1535. So a huge shout out to the camera store for making this happen, making it work. And a big shout out to Sony, who is lending me this for this project. And we're gonna start to play around with it a bit here before I leave, so I can kind of get to know it. If anybody has any ideas, any tips, tricks on how to use this wonderful camera that I've never used before, that'd be awesome. Aside from that, we're excited, and we are 14 days until I leave. Stay tuned. I'm going to show a lot of this Sony Fx3 and the 24 to 105 f4. I'll probably do a couple of reels, couple of different posts about the camera itself, and my thoughts on it. I know that eventually that's going to be, I'm always going to be a Canon guy, but when it comes to video, I really, really, really want to get into the Sony world for video. So yeah, Exciting.